Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if we're truly alone? What if I told you that scattered across the cosmos are the remnants of a world that met a spectacular, violent end? A planet that didn't just die, but was shattered. Its fragments flung across the universe like seeds on the wind. This isn't just a story of destruction. It's a story of creation. Imagine a planet billions of years ago, in a distant, forgotten corner of space. A world teeming with unimaginable life. Civilizations far beyond our own, bathed in the light of a dying star. But their sun's final breath wasn't a gentle fade to black. It was a cataclysmic explosion, a supernova that ripped their world apart. In an instant, their planet was obliterated, reduced to 1 trillion pieces of superheated rock and metal. For eons, these cosmic orphans traveled through the void, silent witnesses to the birth and death of galaxies. They were carrying the very building blocks of their lost home. Some drifted aimlessly, lost to the eternal darkness. But others, by sheer cosmic chance, were drawn into the gravitational pull of young, swirling clouds of gas and dust, the nurseries of new stars. As these nebulae coalesced, giving birth to new suns, the fragments of our exploded planet were there, caught in the dance. They became part of the accretion disks, the swirling platters of matter from which new planets are born. The iron from their mountains, the minerals from their oceans, the very essence of their world, was integrated into these brand new celestial bodies. So, the next time you gaze at the stars, consider this. Are some of those distant worlds actually phoenix planets, reborn from the ashes of another? Are we looking at the children of a cosmic catastrophe? What secrets of their ancient parent world do they hold locked within their core? And the most thrilling question of all, if life existed on the original planet, could its fundamental ingredients have survived the journey to seed life anew, hundreds or even thousands of times, across the galaxy? Join us as we journey through space and time to uncover the incredible story of the planet that exploded, and how its death gave birth to new worlds.